Akala ka ba wax si Enzo Scent? And I am here to prove myself wrong. I bought 8 fragrances from Enzo Scents to test out and to tell you a review and my thoughts and opinion about these fragrances. Panigurado, may mag-comment na naman dyan na tinawag mo pero siyang wak. Okay, clarification, that is based on performance, the projection is kind of weak, and the longevity is 1 to 2 hours lang. That is my experience sa Enzo Scents na puno blue ng tropa ko. Pero ngayon bumili ako ng marami. Actually, it's 8 fragrances to test it out. And umpisa natin siya ngayon sa Sauvage. By the way, baka magsabi na naman, wala ka namang comparison sa Sauvage, but can I compare sa Sauvage? I have my Sauvage EDT here. Just to compare it, in case lang na mamisjudge ako. Pero, let's start it. Sauvage. Fairly similar. Maybe 90%. Okay. Kinda like it. I don't know. I don't know about the projection and longevity. Yeah. Kinda similar. I like it. Next would be Eros. Uy. You know what? This is fairly close. I can say. You know what? This is better. This is way better than Father Instant Intense. Okay. Set-wise, okay, set-wise. Okay na, set-wise. Not performance-wise. This is very similar. I don't know about performance, pero yeah, similar. Next is Stronger Video Intensity. Let's see. Opening, medyo malayo-layo. I don't know, maybe dahil nasa pepel siya, wala sa skin ko, pero ayoko maglagay ng ano ko, kakatapos ko lang magpabango. Medyo malayo. It's not that sweet as I'm expecting it to be. Wala yung toffee. 80%? Something that type of closeness. I don't like it. Okay, para di tayo bias, sabihin nyo naman, lapit-lapit kaya? Para sa akin, hindi eh. Stronger Video Intensely. Yeah. Malayo talaga. Okay, malayo sa Enzo Scents. I mean, andoon yung Stronger Video Intensely DNA, pero sobrang layo compared to the orig. Pero yeah, it's inspired. Ano bang in-expect mo? Diba? Maybe let's say 70%. Medyo malayo, pero it's there, right? Next one will be Acqua di Gio. I think this is the OG Acqua di Gio, hindi siya Profondo or Profumo. So, okay. Fairly similar. Andun yung Acqua di Gio DNA niya. Since magkakapare-pareho lang naman sila. Based on experience, I have here my Profondo. Pero, it's not a good comparison since the real Acqua di Gio and Profondo has a very, magkakalayo, pero it has a DNA. I like it. Actually, I like this one, Acqua di Gio. Very good for summer. Very fresh. Actually, akin ito mamaya. Next would be Santal 33. Wala akong Santal 33, pero meron akong Emir Rich Santal. So, I guess yun na yung pagko-compare ko since parallel naman sila ng dupe or inspired. Okay. You know what? I would rather buy this than the Emir Rich Santal, okay? I like this. This is more gentle. I guess it's kind of less more of that woody. I like it more since medyo may pagka musky scent. I like it. Smells more like leather, less woody. I think wala lang dito sa pagiging powdery niya, which is a very significant thing for a rich Santal. I mean, for Santal, Lilabo Santal 33 dupe or inspired. Next would be Aventus. Obviously, Aventus Creed. That's okay. Come on, bro. wala akong full bottle ng Aventus, pero meron akong Decant before. And bro, you know what? This is much better than Club Dinuit for me again. Kasi yung Club Dinuit kasi para siyang pesticide eh. Again, for me. You know what? I can compare this to Debonair. This is much more citrusy scent compared to the Debonair. I'd rather wear this than Debonair. Next would be Valentino Umo. Wala akong Valentino Umo, pero meron akong Valentino Born and Roma. Pero Valentino Umo is a chocolate gourmand type of scent, so I will not compare those two. Okay, pagka-spray ko pa lang, andun agad yung pagiging chocolate niya. Fuck. Okay, so Valentino Umo ng Enzo Sense is leaning more on a chocolate coffee type of scent. I think I would wear this occasionally. Hindi ko siya magagamit as everyday scent. But the rest can be used everyday, pero ito lang siguro yung masabi ko na panggabi together with the stronger video intensity. I like it. May naalala akong pagkain dito eh. Basta chocolate siya. I don't remember what, pero I like this. Last but not the least, hindi ko siya in-order pero send lang sa akin ni Enzo Sense. I think nagkamali sila. Or freebie is Bulgari Porhome. Or ano bang pag-pronounce doon? Porhome or Porhome. Basta I will call it Porhome for me. Kaya ako doon Anyways. Ooh, you know what? Naaamoy ko yung uncle ko dahil dito. So, I have my uncle who wears Bulgari. And, I don't know. I kinda like it kasi nga lang medyo nostalgic yung amoy. Tapos ganito yung amoy ng uncle ko. But yeah, I guess it's good. Yeah, for me it's good. So yun na nga. Masabi ko siguro, scent-wise, yes, it smells so good. It smells similar. Maybe medyo malayo si Stronger Video Intensely, but the rest are almost similar. I'm not sure about the Bulgari and the Santal 33 since wala ako nun physically, pero naamoy ko na sila. Pero I can say is medyo malapit sila. Medyo nostalgic ako sa Bulgari since ganun yung amoy ng uncle ko. Tangina yan. So siguro gagawa tayo ng comparison next time sa mga inspired perfumes na meron ako and sa Enzo Sense. And also compare it to the OG para makita natin kung similar ba, kung which is better, which is, much closer. Before I end this video, gusto ko lang sanang sabihin sa inyo na this is just for the scent wise. I cannot give you the review for the projection and longevity dahil hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. So based on what I smell, I think they will project pero hindi ganoon kalawak compared to the OGs. Pero let's see, diba? I hope this would prove me wrong. Yun lang, peace.